Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and in this we are solving the problems on trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So on this we are solving the problem number example number 13. Now here we ask prove that sin of x plus y upon sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. We have solved such type of problems, or while discussion you must have noted the point. Here now, in order to prove, consider LHS. Consider LHS. So LHS is equal to sin of x plus y upon sin of x minus y. Dear friends, for this we have identity. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Please note, for plus it is plus in case of sin, and sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Only the sign changes. Now please try to write this. So you will get LHS is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y upon sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Please note. So this is very easy. Now in order to get tan x and tan y, please note, in order to get tan x at the numerator and tan y at the numerator, we don't want this. So in order to eliminate this, we have to divide numerator by cos y, and we must get tan. Sin is there, so in order to get tan x, we have to divide by cos x. So if you divide by cos x and cos y, please note, we will get tan x and this term will get eliminated. So same thing will happen here also. If you divide by cos x, cos x will get eliminated and we will get sin y upon cos y, that is tan y. Means we will get, by looking at the RHS, we can decide these numerator and denominator are to be divided by what. So here divide numerator and denominator both by, divide numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator both by cos x cos y, cos x cos y. So see what we get. LHS is equal to sin x cos y upon cos x cos y. Please note, plus sign is there, so I am writing it separately. We will get cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. This is what we have divided the numerator. Now let us divide the denominator. Denominator is sin x cos y upon cos x cos y minus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. So see what terms are getting eliminated. Cos y gets divided by cos y will get eliminated. Cos x divided by cos x will get eliminated. Here cos y divided by cos y will get eliminated. Here cos x divided by cos x will get eliminated. So we have what? Sin x upon cos x. Sin x upon cos x is nothing but tan x. And sin y upon cos y plus sin y upon cos y is tan y upon. So to the numerator we have got tan x plus tan y, and denominator let us see what we get. Sin x upon cos x is tan x minus sin y upon cos y is tan y. Please note, thus we have got the RHS itself. So this is equal to RHS. Hence whatever was asked is proved. Thus we can write the result. Thus sin of x plus y upon sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. Proved. Dear friends, next example is example number 14. Show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Now this problem is also a special and the solving method is also special for this type of problem. Here now let us consider solution. Let us consider tan 3x. Consider tan of 3x. Normally we start with LHS, after solving we get the RHS, that is the normal method. Here this problem is a special problem, so please be careful while solving such problem. Now 3x is equal to, we know 3x is equal to, 3x can be written in terms of sum of two angles, so this can be written as tan 3x can be written as 3x is equal to tan of 2x plus x. 2x plus x. Now we have the identity. We have one identity, tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. So this becomes tan 2x plus x is equal to, by using the above identity we will get tan of 2x plus tan of x upon 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x. So this is nothing but 2x plus x is 3x. So I can write this as tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. If you cross multiply this, you will get tan 3x multiplied by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x. Now if you multiply this inside the bracket, we will get tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now please note, this term is negative term. If you shift it to the right hand side, negative will become positive. These are positive terms. If you shift to the left hand side, positive will become negative. So we will get tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to, this is a single term, so its sign will become positive, is equal to tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. Watch carefully. We have got LHS to the RHS and RHS to the LHS. So if LHS is equal, if this is equal to this, it means this must be equal to this. So it is tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Please note here, though it is a tan of 3 theta, please don't use the formula of tan of 3 theta. Otherwise, this solving will become little lengthy. Dear friends, 15th question is, prove that cos of pi upon 4 plus x plus cos of pi upon 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. Now this can be solved in two different ways. Let us go by the book method first. So we have consider LHS. We have LHS is equal to cos of pi upon 4 plus x plus cos of pi upon 4 minus x. Now we have studied the identity cos x plus cos y is equal to cos of 2 cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. So by using this identity, this LHS becomes, LHS is equal to, we are going to consider whole total angle as a x, and this total angle as a y. So we will get LHS is equal to 2 times cos of x. We are going to consider to this whole angle. So we will get pi upon 4 plus x. Using identity, you please write this. Using identity, we are going to use this identity. Don't get confused with the problems x and the identity is x. So this become pi upon 4 plus x plus y. Y is pi upon 4 minus x into cos of x is pi upon 4 plus x minus y is pi upon 4 minus x. See, this minus sign, don't get confused, is for total. So this is x plus y upon 2 and this is x minus y upon 2. Now see, this is equal to twice cos of this pi upon 4 is twice pi upon 4, positive x and negative x will cancel, so we will get twice pi upon 4 upon 2 into cos of. Please note, this negative sign will change the sign of pi upon 4, so pi upon 4 will eliminate. This negative sign will also change the sign of the x, it will become positive, so you will get 2x upon 2. So this is equal to, try to understand, 2 cos of, this is 1 upon 2 and 2 goes to the denominator, so it becomes again pi upon 4 and this becomes cos of, 2 eliminates with 2, we get cos of x. Now cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Cos of pi upon 4, that is cos of 45 is 1 upon root 2. We have just solved the problems on this. So if you put the values, you will get 2. This is 1 upon root 2 and this cos x is as it is. Now please note, 2 is the square of root 2. You can say like this also. So this is equal to 2 can be split into root 2 and one of the root 2 will eliminate with this. So this can be written as root 2 into root 2. That is, I have written the same 2. This 1 upon root 2 and this cos x. Now you can eliminate one of the root 2. So you will get root 2 cos x. Or you can rationalize the denominator. So you will get, if you multiply by root 2 to both, you will get 2 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. So 2 will cancel with this. You will get root 2 cos x. That is, thus you can see that this is equal to RHS. So we were solving LHS and we have reached up to RHS. It means we have proved that. Thus we can directly write the result. Thus cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 into cos x. This problem can be solved by using the formula cos x plus y plus cos of x minus y also. Dear friends, this can be solved by other way also. So we have the identity for cos of x plus y. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Please note, for positive it becomes negative in case of cos, and cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Only the sign changes. So cos of x plus y is equal to, we are going to use this identity, and for cos of x minus y we are going to use this identity. So this becomes LHS. LHS is equal to cos x is cos of pi by 4, cos y is, for this I am considering y. So this is equal to cos of x plus sin pi by 4 into sin x. So this, for LHS, for this part I have written this plus, now cos of pi minus x, cos of x minus y, this identity I am going to use. So this becomes cos of first angle into cos of second angle plus sin of first angle into sin of second angle. Now we know that cos pi by 4 is also equal to 1 upon root 2 and sin pi upon 4 is also equal to 1 upon root 2. Sorry. 1 upon root. So this becomes cos x. So this was negative. So we will get cos x. This is 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 cos x. This is minus 1 upon root 2 into sin x, plus again 1 upon root 2 into cos x, and this is plus 1 upon root 2 into sin x. Now please understand, this term is negative, this term is positive, so they will eliminate each other. You will have 1 upon root 2 cos x plus 1 upon root 2 cos x. Now denominators are same, so numerators will get added. You will get 1 plus 1, 2 cos x upon root 2. Now again rationalize the denominator. You will get 2 root 2 upon 2 cos x, that is equal to root 2 cos x. This is also equal to RHS. So we can say the result cos of pi upon 4 plus x plus cos of pi upon 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. Hence we have proved our result, that is cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos